Hello everybody, my name's Dave. Thanks for joining me. I've got a quick advertising video for you. Chris, the admin on the 4JX1 compile decompile project page on Facebook, has just acquired numerous sets of O-rings for the 4JX1 injectors. He's selling those, and I said I'd promote them for him. Okay, so the O-rings, you get 2 times the high pressure oil pipe. You get 4 lower sleeve, 4 upper sleeve, 4 injector to sleeve, 4 injector to oil rail, 4 copper injectors to the sleeve. $35 for the set of O-rings and $28 for the set of the copper washers. I would suggest you don't do the O-rings without doing the copper washers. They're pretty essential. I said I'd promote them for him. If you need to buy some, message Chris Swareg on the 4JX1 Decompile Project Facebook page.